Welcome, friends. Today we delve into the world of Amish natural medicine and how their age-old techniques can be a lifesaver in times of crisis. The Amish, known for their simplicity and dedication to natural living, have a treasure trove of knowledge when it comes to healthcare. Their approach, steeped in tradition and respect for nature, offers a refreshing perspective on healing and wellness. The foundation of Amish natural medicine is deeply rooted in the use of herbs, plants, and home remedies. Unlike our modern-day reliance on pharmaceuticals, the Amish turn to the earth for their medicinal needs. This isn't just a trend or a lifestyle choice for them, it's a philosophy. A philosophy that emphasizes living in harmony with nature, and this extends to how they treat illnesses. When we think of a pharmacy, we often picture shelves lined with neatly packaged pills and potions, but the Amish pharmacy is a different kind of place. It's a garden flourishing with herbs, a kitchen filled with the aroma of simmering herbal concoctions, a storeroom packed with jars of homemade salves and tinctures. It's a place where health and wellness spring from the very heart of the household. Common herbs such as echinacea, peppermint, and yarrow are staples in the Amish medicine cabinet, offering a range of health benefits from boosting the immune system to soothing digestive issues. These ingredients aren't bought from a store, they're grown in their gardens or wildcrafted from the local area. It's a hands-on, earth-connected approach that nurtures not just the body, but also the soul. But it's not just about the ingredients, it's about the knowledge and skills to use them effectively. It's about understanding the power of nature and learning to harness it for healing. It's about tradition, wisdom, and a deep respect for life in all its forms. So, as we embark on this journey into the world of Amish natural medicine, let's keep an open mind and an open heart. Let's learn from their wisdom and apply their techniques to our own lives, especially in times of crisis when conventional medicine may not be accessible. Let's uncover the secrets of Amish natural medicine that have been passed down through generations. The Amish Pharmacy thrives on the richness of nature, with herbs and plants forming the core of their remedies. Imagine a garden, not just a place of beauty, but a living, breathing pharmacy. That's what you'll find in an Amish household. Bursting with color and life, their gardens are home to a variety of herbs and plants, each with its own healing power. Let's start with echinacea, a resilient perennial that's as pretty as it is powerful. The Amish have long known what science is starting to acknowledge. Echinacea boosts the immune system and fights off colds and flu. It's Mother Nature's antibiotic. Next on the list is peppermint. It's not just for freshening breath or flavoring your holiday candies. Peppermint is a soothing digestive aid, helping to calm an upset stomach and promote healthy digestion. It also works wonders on headaches and can even alleviate the symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome. And then there's yarrow, a humble plant with feathery leaves and clusters of tiny white flowers. But don't let its delicate appearance fool you. Yarrow is a potent healer. It can stop bleeding, reduce inflammation, and even help alleviate symptoms of anxiety and high blood pressure. These are just a few examples. The Amish also use a variety of other plants like calendula for skin ailments, chamomile for relaxation and sleep, and comfrey for wound healing. The beauty of this approach is that these plants are often right outside their front door, grown in their gardens or wildcrafted from local fields and forests. Now, you might be thinking, that's great for the Amish, but I live in a city. How can I possibly grow my own pharmacy? The answer is simpler than you might think. Many of these herbs can be grown in pots on a sunny windowsill or balcony. And for those that can't, there are reputable suppliers who can provide you with dried herbs to make your own remedies. Now that we know the key ingredients, let's learn how to prepare these natural remedies. Preparation is a crucial part of Amish natural medicine. It's time we learn their techniques. In the world of Amish natural medicine, it's all about harnessing the power of nature and our own hands. It's about creating healing remedies from the plants and herbs that grow around us, and the secret to unlocking this healing power? It's in the preparation. Consider tinctures. These are concentrated herbal extracts that are easy to use and have a long shelf life. They're typically made by soaking herbs in alcohol to extract the active compounds. After a few weeks, the mixture is strained and the remaining liquid is your tincture. It's a simple process, but it's powerful. Tinctures can be used for everything from boosting your immune system to calming an upset stomach. Then there are salves. These are thick ointments that you can apply topically to heal wounds, soothe skin irritations, or ease muscle pain. The process involves melting a base, usually beeswax or lard, and infusing it with your chosen herbs. Once it's all mixed and melted, you let it cool and harden into a salve. It's like having a homemade pharmacy in a jar. Poultices, on the other hand, are a bit different. They're a kind of natural bandage made from fresh or dried herbs. The herbs are crushed or boiled to release their healing properties, then applied directly to the skin or wrapped in a cloth. It's an old-school remedy, but it's effective for reducing inflammation or drawing out toxins. And let's not forget about teas. Simple, comforting, and healing, herbal teas have been used for centuries to treat a range of ailments. All you need are your chosen herbs and hot water. Steep, strain, and sip your way to better health. Each of these preparations has its own benefits and uses, and mastering them can give you a versatile toolkit for natural healing. And the best part? They're all made from simple, natural ingredients that you can grow yourself or find in nature. With these preparation techniques, you can create remedies to tackle common health issues. From colds to skin irritations, the Amish have natural remedies for a range of common ailments. Their approach to healthcare is rooted in simplicity and natural living, a philosophy that extends to their treatment of illnesses. Let's explore some of these age-old remedies. For colds and flu, the Amish often turn to elderberry syrup. Rich in antioxidants and vitamins, elderberries are known to boost the immune system and soothe respiratory discomfort. The syrup is easy to prepare, involving a simple process of boiling, straining, and sweetening the berries. Stomach issues are another common ailment, and the Amish have a remedy for that too. Peppermint tea, made from the leaves of the peppermint plant, is a popular choice. It's known to soothe digestive discomfort, relieve nausea, and even ease headaches. For skin irritations such as burns, cuts, or rashes, calendula salve is the go-to remedy. Calendula, also known as pot marigold, has natural anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties that promote wound healing and skin health. The salve, a blend of calendula-infused oil and beeswax, is simple to make and a staple in any Amish medicine cabinet. But what about more severe ailments like infections or high blood pressure? The Amish turn to garlic. This culinary staple is a potent natural antibiotic and has been shown to lower blood pressure and improve cardiovascular health. Consumed raw, cooked, or in tincture form, garlic is a versatile and powerful remedy. Now, it's important to remember that while these remedies are effective, they are not a replacement for professional medical advice. They should be used as a complement to, not a substitute for, conventional medicine. But imagine a scenario where modern medical facilities and pharmaceuticals are not readily accessible. In such situations, these natural remedies could be lifesavers. They are simple, natural, and most importantly, effective. Adopting these remedies into your prepping strategy can be a game changer. By learning and using these natural medicine techniques, you can ensure that you're prepared for whatever comes your way. Remember, knowledge is the greatest tool in any prepper's arsenal. While natural remedies can be powerful, it's crucial to use them safely and ethically. It's easy to get carried away by the allure of natural remedies and the promise of health without chemicals. But remember, even the most natural ingredients can have side effects or react with other substances. So let's talk about safety first. Understanding potential allergies is a must. Just because something is natural doesn't mean it can't cause an allergic reaction. For example, if you're allergic to ragweed, you might also react to echinacea, a commonly used herb in Amish remedies. So always do your research, and maybe even consult a professional before trying something new. Interactions with other medications is another important safety concern. Some plants can enhance or diminish the effects of pharmaceutical drugs. For example, St. John's wort, a plant often used for its antidepressant properties, can interfere with a whole host of medications, including birth control pills, heart medications, and certain types of cancer treatments. So if you're on any medication, always check for potential interactions. Now, let's switch gears and talk about ethics. When we learn from the Amish or any other traditional community, it's important to do so with respect. This means acknowledging the origins of the knowledge and not exploiting it for personal gain without giving something back. Sustainable harvesting is another ethical consideration. Nature is a generous provider, but we need to ensure we're not taking more than we can give back. When wildcrafting herbs, for example, never take more than a third of the plant or the population in a given area, and always make sure you're not picking a plant that's endangered or protected. With the right resources and a thirst for knowledge, you can master the art of natural medicine. But remember, mastery takes time and practice. Start slow, learn from reliable sources, and always prioritize safety and ethics. The journey to natural health is a marathon, not a sprint, but with patience and perseverance, you'll build an invaluable skill set that can serve you well in any situation, whether it's a minor ailment or a major disaster. We've explored the world of Amish natural medicine today, a world that thrives on simplicity and the richness of nature. We've unveiled the wisdom of generations, passed down through carefully selected herbs and plants and the simple yet potent remedies they offer. From the soothing properties of echinacea to the invigorating zest of peppermint, we've seen how these natural ingredients can become powerful allies in our healthcare arsenal. We've also delved into the art of preparation. From tinctures to teas and salves to poultices, we've learned how to harness the full potential of these plants. We've seen how a calendula salve can soothe skin irritations and how a simple tea blend can aid digestion. We've also taken a deep dive into common Amish remedies for everyday ailments. We've discussed how these natural solutions can be utilized for conditions like colds, flu, stomach issues, and skin irritations. We've looked at how they work, when to use them, and provided practical tips for preparation and dosage. Moreover, we've explored how to integrate these valuable practices into your own preparedness plans. We've stressed the importance of building your own natural medicine library and learning about the medicinal plants in your local area. We've also touched on the safety and ethics of natural medicine. We've emphasized the importance of understanding potential allergies and interactions and the ethical considerations of sustainable harvesting and respecting traditional knowledge. Now it's your turn to start this journey. Begin small, grow a few medicinal herbs in your garden. Experiment with simple remedies. Learn, grow, and adapt. This is a journey of empowerment, of taking control of your health and well-being in a way that is in harmony with the natural world. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. Start your journey into natural medicine today. Don't forget to subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments below.